Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope people are doing well. So guys, this is Siddhu Kakar, nursing officer KGMC. So guys, GMCS Chandigarh has just announced the notice regarding the recruitment of the nursing officer. Yes, you have heard, and I know you have a lot of question regarding this notice, when the last date of apply and total number of vacancies, age limit, and most importantly how to crack this exam. So guys, don't worry, because in this detailed video we will break down each and everything for make you understand everything very clearly. So please stay tuned with the video. Let's start the video. So guys, first and foremost we'll see the last date of application. So the last date of application is 7th of May 2025. Please note down on your calendar, and because this is going to be a very important date. इससे पहले आपको फॉर्म सबमिट करना है टू अवॉइड एनी टेक्निकल ग्लिचेस. तो इस डेट से पहले आपको सारा फॉर्म्स फिल कर देना है एंड नीड टू अवेयर ऑफ द लास्ट डेट ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन, दैट इज 7th of May 2025. जब फॉर्म स्टार्ट होंगे उसका भी डेट आ जाएगा, वेबसाइट पर अभी अवेलेबल नहीं है. दिस इज द इंफॉर्मेशन विच हैज़ बीन रिलीज इन द न्यूज़पेपर रिसेंटली. तो उसके बेसिस पे ये वीडियो बन रहा है. इसके बाद जो भी PDF आएगा उसका एक डिटेल वीडियो और बनेगा टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड मोर अबाउट दिस नोटिस. So guys, they have released a recruitment of the nursing officer which comes under the group B. As you all know, the post of nursing officer comes under group B, so they have also considered this thing. And now we'll talk about the total vacancy they have given. So guys, the vacancy of the your candidate is 212, OBC is 123, EW is 42, SC is 47, PWD is 16. So guys, they have the total vacancy is 424. 424 seats हैं totally, and they have reserved the 16 seats for the PWD candidates, and they have given all the details of the PWD candidate. They will be candidates in the notification you can see here, which they will be considered. The total seats like 424. So आप अपनी category के according apply कर सकते हैं. So now come to the next point, that is age limit. What age limit they have been set for the candidates who are applying for the nursing officer? So guys, the age limit is 18 to 30 years of age. So this is the general age they have been set. After that, the age relaxation will be given to the candidate who belong to categories. The age will be considered at the last date of the application. Okay, तो 7th May 2025 पे आपका एज कितना रहेगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग they will be considered your age. Okay, to be eligible for the recruitment of the GMCH Chandigarh, you need to know about the eligibility criteria. So guys, they have set the eligibility criteria like they have asked for the BSc Honors Nursing, BSc Nursing or Post BSc Nursing. ठीक है, they have asked these three things, and you should have the registered RN and RM number, and the candidate who had done the GNM, तो they should have the experience of 2 years in the 50 bedded hospital. तो पहले उन्होंने एक और नोटिस पब्लिश किया था. तो दे हैव आस्क्ड फॉर द कंप्यूटर कोर्स ऑल्सो विच विल बी मोर देन 90 आवर्स. ठीक है, जो कंप्यूटर कोर्स होना चाहिए वो आपका 90 आवर्स से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. तो इसमें आपका CCC+ कोर्स आ सकता है, या लेवल O का कोर्स आ सकता है. जो भी कंप्यूटर कोर्स आपका होना चाहिए विच विल बी मोर देन 90 आवर्स. यू शुड रिमेंबर दिस थिंग वेरी केयरफुली. एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया को फुलफिल करने के बाद ही आप ये फॉर्म फिल कर सकते हैं. So now guys, we come to the next thing, that is examination fees of this application form. So the application fees of general, OBC and EWS is 1000 rupees, and the application fees of SC, ST is 800 rupees, and the application fees for PWD candidate is ₹0. They have examined the fees for the PWD candidates, so you should be in which category you are applying. So you have to pay the fees according to the category. And guys, बहुत जल्द इसका फुल नोटिस आने वाला है वेबसाइट पे. तो इसके बाद हम और चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे. एंड गाइस, अपना प्रिपरेशन प्लीज़ स्टार्ट कर दीजिए, क्योंकि अब आपके पास बहुत सारी वैकेंसीज आ चुकी है. KGM ने वैकेंसीज रिलीज़ कर दी है. GMCH का आपको पता चल गया, RRB होने वाला, नॉर्सेट होगा, फिर नॉर्सेट 9 होगा. सो नाउ यू नीड टू हैव अ पैक शेड्यूल फॉर द प्रिपरेशन. आपके पास बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं होना चाहिए अब आपको पढ़ाई करने, बिकॉज यू नो एवरीथिंग इज वेरी क्लियर अबाउट द वैकेंसीज. यू हैव सो मेनी वैकेंसीज नाउ, यू कैन अप्लाई इन द डिफरेंट इंस्टीट्यूट, इन द गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट. सो आपको अपनी प्रिपरेशन उसके हिसाब से करनी है. And guys, I have already uploaded a best book for the NORCET RRB, so you can see the video. I will be share the link in the description of that video. And guys, you can go with the book. This is Mission Paricharika. This is a very good book for the theory purpose. You can use this book for your theory, and all the subject has been covered, the detailed explanation, and each and every procedure of the nursing is very clear in there, and it is very in detail. You can read from this book, and every subject is very clear. The language of this book is so simple and very easy. You can easily understand each and everything about the subject. And they have given the question at the back of the chapter, so you can do question practice also with this book. And if you want to go for the more question practice and you want to do previous year question practice, so guys, you can go with the book Mission Old Paper, because it contains all the question paper which had been asked in the previous examination of the nursing officers like RRB, NORCET, KGMU, ESIC, PGI, Chandigarh, GMCH. With this you can get the idea of the question that will be asking in the examination. तो आप इन दोनों बुक से तैयारी कर सकते हैं. So guys, if you want to buy this book, I will share the link in the description box. I have a app also, Mission High Nursing Notes. In this app you will be getting all the courses, previous year question paper, revision notes, model test papers, test series. There are so much things you will be getting in this app. You can download this app from the Play Store and you can start your preparation with these things. GMCH चंडीगढ़ का एग्जामिनेशन पैटर्न होगा, वो PDF जब इनका रिलीज हो जाएगा, बिकॉज हर साल कुछ ना कुछ चेंजेस होते रहते हैं एग्जामिनेशन पैटर्न में, तो एग्जामिनेशन पैटर्न को हम तभी अच्छे से क्लियरली मैं आपको बता पाऊंगी. फॉर नाउ यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर, बिकॉज एग्जामिनेशन पैटर्न कुछ भी हो, आपको प्रिपरेशन तो करनी ही है. Start with your nursing subject along with your non-nursing also. Give the time non-nursing subject also, because they also play a good and important role in your exam. So go with both nursing and non-nursing. And if you have any query, please let me know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, add the video to more nursing aspirant, and please subscribe the channel for more upcoming updates of the jobs. Bye bye, take care, and all the best.